Hello, and today we'll be talking about GarageBand in the classroom setting. So I specifically wanted to talk about how GarageBand shows in the students in a music classroom and how well you could use it. So GarageBand could be used for many different things. Specifically in the music classroom, it's very well for music theory, hearing recordings of your music, and music technology. So GarageBand can be connected to multiple composition platforms, similar to something called Finale, which is no longer be able to purchase but can still be used, and Dorico, where you can take your compositions from those programs and pull them over to GarageBand, and you can set up the instrumentation that those parts play, and then GarageBand will play it back for you. So this is a similar setup of a normal setup of GarageBand. So you have your regions, which is each section that is played, and like these little audio recorders. This whole synth bass is one. This whole intro. This drummer here, actually where it says Kyle, is one of the AI drummers that GarageBand can use. It's very helpful for students as they're learning how to compose for a rock group and they don't know how to write drum fills yet. Here are your track headers, and so you see it's normally your instrument. So you see your recorded audio is this here. You see your synth bass, you see your bass, your drums, you see your piano, and you see your guitar. See, you have your microphone button, which records, your play, another record button, a back to the beginning button, and a metronome button, and also a volume. So all of this here are considered your tracks. Each line is a track. A track is just what the music is and what it consists of. So commonly your music classrooms will look like this. I apologize for the picture being a little grainy, but you'll have a MIDI keyboard. This is a larger MIDI keyboard, but then we have Coastal, but we have a very similar setup. And most music technology classrooms use MacBooks because of GarageBand is a Mac server, and it is one of the most up and over going music recording softwares and editing softwares that is both combined for a free or cheap price. So a lot of classrooms tend to use that. I personally think that GarageBand is a very helpful tool. I very enjoy using GarageBand. I will go and record it myself, and that is how you use GarageBand.